Alright guys, let's talk about adding a second brand new battery to our 24 volt Snow Joe system. Let's get started. This CDH battery is designed to be used on all Ion 24 Plus 24 volt series Snow Joe equipment, including the 11-inch shovel I reviewed last year. I'm excited to review this battery because I think it may be a good solution for anyone who may be looking at replacing or adding a second battery to their setup. The build quality is very similar to my existing genuine 24 volt OEM Snow Joe 5 amp battery, but obviously smaller due to the 3-hour amp rating. It must be known that I do not have any scientific way to measure the actual battery capacity, so this review will be based mostly on my personal experience, including comparing it to the larger 5 amp OEM battery. The battery fits nicely into the quick charger that came with my original Snow Joe equipment. As the battery was charging, I took a little time to also review the provided instructions. Aside from a few grammatical errors, the fairly well-written instructions are easy to understand and provide a comprehensive overview of how to charge, maintain, and handle the lithium-ion battery. The battery charged up quickly, and it was time to bring out the Snow Joe shovel. Recently, we had a very heavy wet snow arrive in northwestern Vermont. This would certainly be a great opportunity to test out the new CDH battery. The new battery offers lots of much needed power, especially considering the current snow conditions. This by far is some of the heaviest snow I've worked with in the past couple of years, and I'm glad I have the Snow Joe along with a fresh new battery. Having a snow shovel is a great tool in working in this type of heart attack snow. A very unexpected benefit of using a smaller CDH battery was a reduction in the overall weight of the Snow Joe. The 11-inch Snow Joe is not the lightest system on the market, so shaving off a little weight made a noticeable difference in handling the snow shovel. I can imagine that older users may find a smaller battery more appealing, especially in operating various Snow Joe equipment. Perhaps having two smaller 3 amp batteries may be a better fit for some users rather than purchasing a large 5 amp model. It is also worth mentioning the benefits of using a second battery on a power system like the Snow Joe. Having used a snow shovel for almost a year now, it was time to start thinking about the original OEM battery, including how much capacity was left. Using two batteries allows me now to go between the CDH battery and the larger OEM battery, which will ideally extend the life of both batteries. With this CDH battery, I was able to clear off all of this heavy wet snow from our front stone patio, as well as the walkway portion that was completed off camera. Performance was around half of what the OEM 5 amp battery could do, but again, nothing scientific here, as I was only estimating the run times between the two batteries. Overall, I think the battery is a good replacement, as well as a second option for your Snow Joe equipment. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the video right now. Great results from this new CDH battery. It's only 3 amp hours, but it's certainly getting the job done. Plenty of power. And as I said before, it's definitely a lot lighter and a lot easier to use the Snow Joe. I'll go ahead and leave links below in the description if you're interested in picking up a second battery for your Snow Joe. Take care. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.